Today, we are going to introduce the video face drawing function of our software. First, let's create a folder on the desktop. This is the operation page of our software. Here is still the navigation bar of our software, and I still choose Chinese for the bilingual version. Here is our input in the original section, and we choose the second one. This is our video face swapping feature. We are browsing here. Import the video we want to replace. Click on this triangle. Next, let's introduce our preview window. The first preview window is the original video we entered, which is the video we just imported. The second preview window is our original video, facial features. Here's our beautification section where we can make facial adjustments. The third is our model facial recognition window, which is the model we are going to replace next. The facial features. Here is the model storage section of our software, where you can replace the model, find the name of the model we want to replace, and then we can replace it. The fourth is our AI face swap preview window, which will be displayed in this window after we change our face, and this window can be adjusted. The size of our preview window can be adjusted here in the pixel value, or we want to see the comparison between the original video and the video after the face change more intuitively. We can choose the horizontal or vertical layout in the output image, and here we will choose the horizontal layout to watch. We choose to pin the top display, and the preview window will be placed on the top layer for us to watch, and we watch this effect video, and we feel that the face is a little blurry, and we can come to this model adjustment section, and we will often use this model adjustment section. The camera changes faces and pictures in real time, and we often use it when changing faces, and it feels that this contrast is not clear enough. We can turn on the super resolution repair, and we will take a look at the effect. We can also adjust the color difference of the face in the section. Here we can turn on the tone shift and adjust it to our liking. We also have a functional masking function in the section, which is our model and face. When the face is not adjusted well, it helps our face to fade the model better and increase naturalness. When we want to see more effects, we can go to the model storage file section, select the name of the model we want to change, and double-click to replace it. Next, we come to this recording section. We first select the folder we want to store. At the beginning we have a new folder. We find this folder on the desktop. Select Quick to start recording. We can record in real time. The above is the introduction of the video face swap function of our C-Face OIB Live broadcast face swapping software. The interface of the software is very simple. You can download and try it yourself. You can get started soon. If you have any problems in the process of use, you can join our community or leave a message in the comment area. In addition, the software is internal software, not open source software, and it is also the most popular software on the whole network. That's it for today's video face swapping tutorial, and we'll see you next time.
Finished product display.
So I fall in love with you on Saturday. The words wait late, I'm so afraid. It's sitting next to you, then we choose the moon. But I can't.